stink bug is a kind of insect. It gets its name from the stinky liquid it makes in its body. When a stink bug is scared, it sprays the liquid, and it smells awful. Some people call stink bugs the skunks of the insect world. A skeleton on the outside. Like all insects, a stink bug has 6 legs and 2 antennas. It also has a hard covering called an exoskeleton. This kind of skeleton is on the outside of an insect's body. The exoskeleton protects the soft parts of the stink bug's body. Many kinds of animals use their noses to smell things. Stink bugs don't have noses. They use their antennas for smelling. Legs, antennas, pretty colors. Stink bugs can smell bad, but they can also look pretty. Some are bright green, others are bright red. One of the most colorful kinds is black with red, orange, or yellow marks. There are more than 4,000 kinds of stink bugs. A needle-sharp beak. A stink bug has a long beak at the front of its head. The beak has 4 thin needles inside. A hungry stink bug sticks the needles into its food to eat. When a stink bug is not eating, it tucks its beak under its body. Beak. Beak. Tomato. A liquid diet. Stink bugs can't chew food. Instead, they use their beaks like straws to suck up liquids. Most stink bugs suck the juice from plants. Some stink bugs suck blood from the bodies of other insects. Some kinds of stink bugs like to suck on bean and tomato plants. Others like to suck on cabbage, fruit, caterpillar, stinky meals. A stink bug's bad smell protects it from being eaten. The bug sprays its stinky liquid when an enemy comes near. The enemy usually goes away. Some insects, birds, and spiders will eat the smelly bugs, however. Stink bugs not only smell bad, they taste bad too. Many birds bite into stink bugs and then spit them out. Robber fly. Stink bug. Blending in. Some stink bugs depend on more than their bad smell to stay safe. They also depend on their color. The bugs blend in with the plants around them. Their see them easily. Green stink bugs blend in with leaves. Brown stink bugs blend in with tree bark. Starting out. Baby stink bugs start out as eggs. The babies that hatch from the eggs are called nymphs. Each nymph is the shape of an adult stink bug, only smaller and without wings. A mother stink bug usually lays her eggs on plant leaves. She can lay up to 500 eggs at a time. Eggs. Eggs. Nymphs. Growing up. A stink bug nymph is born with an exoskeleton, but this covering cannot get bigger. As the nymph grows, it sheds its old exoskeleton so that a new one can form. This change is called molting. A growing nymph molts 5 times in all. Then the stink bug is an adult, ready to make a big stink of its own. Nymph molting. Old exoskeleton. A nymph grows tiny wings after its first molt. The wings get larger with each new molt. A world of invertebrates. An animal that has a skeleton with a backbone inside its body is a vertebrate. Mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians are all vertebrates. An animal that does not have a skeleton with a backbone inside its body is an invertebrate. More than 95% of all kinds of animals on Earth are invertebrates. Some invertebrates, such as insects and spiders, have hard skeletons, called exoskeletons, outside their bodies. Other invertebrates, such as worms and jellyfish, have soft, squishy bodies with no exoskeletons to protect them. Here are 4 insects that are closely related to stink bugs. Like all insects, they are invertebrates. Squash bug, bed bug, chinch bug, flat